video, I'm going to be showing you how I put this Mother's Day tier tray together. I did a couple of DIYs for this and I used Dollar Tree items. I figured for Mother's Day this would be a really good gift to give to your mom if she likes Dunn or just likes farmhouse style decor. A couple of the decor items were so cheap, so you could also just make those for your mother as a gift. But if you would like to see how I came up with this tier tray and the decor for it, then please continue to watch. Okay, so what you'll need for this project is a set of Jenga, however you pronounce it. You'll need a set of these blocks from the Dollar Tree. And then also you'll need a set of terracotta pots. And at the Dollar Tree, you will get a set of 3 of them, which is perfect because that's how many I need for this project. So to start with, I'm gonna go ahead and start painting my block. I decided I wanted to go with black, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I decided to make little planters out of these blocks. To start with, I just made a cross with 2 blocks and used hot glue. Then I took a block for each end of the cross and glued it with more hot glue. E6000 glue would work better for this project and letting it sit overnight, but I was impatient and wanted to do it more quickly, so this still worked as well.
I can touch a stream of gold above, breaking through with hope of light enough, giving peace of mind to those of us who try.
Next, I took these cute little terracotta pots and roughly painted them with Waverly white chalk paint. I wanted them to look slightly worn and rustic, so I wasn't perfect with them.
Sunshine on the broken, let the summer come again.
These little pots sat perfectly in my little planters. I just had to give them a little shove to get them in.
Let the force in.
So I decided to put a little quote on the tops of them. You could use stencil or stamps to make them look nicer, but I just freehanded it because I wanted them to be small enough to fit just along the rim of the pots. I thought the quote, "Thanks for helping me grow," was perfect for Mother's Day.
You have seen 1,000 tired feet, seen them rest upon a hill beneath a crown.
For this next project, I took some Dollar Tree books and removed the covers to reveal just the hardcover.
Try to make a way. I can hear you say, let the sun shine on the broken.
Then I painted the covers with my Waverly chalk paint. I decided to use rustic book stacks to display a couple of cute quotes instead of just using signs. These are so easy and cheap to put together, and they are just so adorable.
And I am above.
I decided to paint another stack of books a khaki color with a paint from Walmart called Linen.
Let the sun shine on the broken. Let the summer come again.
Next, I used some stamps that I got off of Amazon to put a couple of cute quotes on my books. When I was doing this, I would take a baby wipe and wipe around the edges to get the ink off so it wouldn't show up on the books. This was pretty tricky for me, and I had to redo them a couple times until I got them the way I wanted.
Let the force in. I am above.
I thought the quote, "Home is where mom is," was so perfect for this display. Next, I took some Dollar Tree twine and wrapped it around the 3 books to secure them together. And after that, I took some of the same greenery that I used for my pots and stuck them into the twine.
I feel above. Misty mountains.
So I followed the same steps for the next book stack here, but I made the quote horizontal instead of vertical.
Dreaming of a bed from a window in the mighty clouds up high. such a strange.
Here I just added a little bit of hot glue to secure the greenery.
Breaking through with hope of light and love, giving peace of mind to those of us who try. Try to make a way. I can hear you say, let the sun shine on the broken. Let the summer come again. Let the heat find all the frozen. Let the force in. And I am above, above. I feel above. Oh, you have seen 1,000 lovers meet. You have seen 1,000 tired feet. Seen them rest upon a hill beneath a crown. Try to make a way. I can hear you say, let the sun shine on the broken. Let the summer come again. Let the heat find all the frozen. Let the force in. And I am above, above. I feel above. Oh, let the sun shine on the broken. Let the summer come again. Let the heat find all the frozen. Let the force in. 'Cause I am let the force in. 'Cause I am.
Alright, so that wraps up my Decorate With Me for Mother's Day. I really like how it turned out, and it's very simple farmhouse, which is definitely my style. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an upload from me. Thanks so much for watching and have a blessed day.
Let the force